Hello YouTube. This is just a quick unboxing of the car mounts for a mobile phone, which in particular I got to use on a dashboard rather than the actual windscreen. So this was purchased off Amazon from Arteck themselves. So Arteck are a approved seller through Amazon, so it cost $6.99, and this is how it came. So delivery was very quick, so it was within 1 day. All right, so that's the packaging really. Nothing to really talk about apart from it was quick. Let's get inside the box. Okay, so inside the box, quite simple. Not really instructions, but just if you've got any problems, what you need to do. So not particularly insightful. So let's put that away. So the actual stands comes in this bag. Okay, so here's the stand. The reason why I got this one is I had a similar one a while back, but it broke in the springs here. So inside this bit, you've got kind of springs to hold, any type of phone. I've been told this is compatible up to a iPhone 6 Plus and perhaps also a Galaxy S8, the larger version. So this is a one piece. It just comes with the suction mount at the bottom, which just has some film on it protecting it. I notice this model is missing what my original one had, and that was, if you look here, this looks like it just goes straight onto a surface. My original one also came with a pad, which would kind of go into the kind of, it will stick onto the surface to then allow this to stick down. So that's the fitting, so quite simple. Let's just unscrew this. Oh, that's tightening it. Okay, so once you unscrew this, what that allows you to do is essentially kind of move this around, and you can adjust it how you want, and then you retighten it using this fixing here. So that's this fixing here. The suction mount is quite simple, so once it's on a surface, as you can see, let's just turn it around here. All you do is fix it there and then clamp it down. So then that is affixed onto the surface. So as I said, this is the Arteck mount. Pretty simple, neat design. It comes in two colors. It comes in black and red. This is obviously the black version. So there you can see it's kind of a fix, and you can adjust it and then tighten it. So once again, Arteck. I'm not paid for this. This is just something I wanted, so I thought I'd share with you because it's got quite a lot of reviews on Amazon, but I've not seen many videos. Any questions, give me a shout. Thanks for watching.